Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. So starting this video, we'll be learning Python programming language. So I'll be preparing 100 plus videos on Python. So how we are going to learn Python programming languages? We'll be learning the Python with the help of real-time examples. So both will do the examples and there we'll learn the theory as well. So my target is to do at least 100 plus videos on Python. So by the end of these 100 plus videos, you should be able to write the Python programs without any issues. Okay. So first, I just don't want to take much time on what is Python and what are its features and all those. So first we'll go with the Hello World program. As usual, to learn any programming language, what we'll do, we'll start with Hello World program. So similarly, now also we'll start with Hello World program. So before that, just we'll see one line about the Python. What is a Python? So Python is nothing but it's an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language. So it's an object-oriented programming language. So this programming Python looks very similar to C, C++ and Java. Okay. So now I'm going to Pycharm. So Pycharm is nothing but IDE. So it's an integrated development environment for developing the Python programs. So this is pretty much similar to Eclipse. Okay. So why do we use Eclipse? To develop the Java programs or to write Java programs in an integrated development environment. We use Eclipse. So coming to the Python, so I'm using Pycharm. So you can download the Pycharm and you can get started. Okay. So now we are going to write one Hello World program in Python. So for that, what we need to do is just go to create one new project, and in this new project, just go to new file. In this file, so what we need to do is we need to just give the file name. So coming to the file name, if you see any Java program, each Java program ends with or the class name ends with .java. Okay. So similarly in Python, so the file extension name or the file name extension is .py. Okay. So I'm just naming it as hello world.py. Okay. So as I told you, to learn any programming language, what we'll do, so we'll write the first program as hello world program. So to print the hello world in the console, so how do we do that? Okay. So just say print and give the values. So here I'm just saying hello world. Okay. So no need to give any semicolons or anything. Just run this program and see whether we are getting the same output or not. Okay. If you see, yes, it has printed hello world. Okay. So I'm just changing it to hello Python to make sure this program is working fine without any issues. Let's run this program and see the output. You see the output is hello Python. So let's see the method which we are using here. The method which we are using here is print. So the print method is used to display whatever the values we have given in this print. Okay. So print will just print the values. So coming to the print, what is the purpose of print? So print, it prints the values to a stream or to a system.stdout by default. Okay, it is used to print or print the output to a stream, or it is used to print the output to the console. And coming to the print, here print in whatever the string, okay, we are giving in the print, it can be given in three different ways. Okay, one is in single quotes, one is in double quotes, and one is in the triple quotes. Okay, so in Python, strings are enclosed inside single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. So hope you understand how you have used the built-in print function to print the string onto the screen or onto the console. Okay, so I'm just copying this and I'm just saying, I'm just giving here single quote instead of double quote. Okay, and in the next line I'm just giving triple quote. Okay, one second. So here I'm giving single quote, and here I'm giving triple quotes. Okay, just I'm giving the triple quotes here. Now let's run the program and see the output. Okay, got it. Here I see one error. So here is the issue I have identified. We can give a single quote, double quote, or triple quote like this. Okay, now let's run the program and see the output. You see here hello Python, and hello Python. So we can either use single quote, double quote, or triple quotes. So to enclose the strings. So strings are enclosed either in single quote, double quote, or triple quote. Hope you understand. So what we have learned in this, we have learned about the print method, and at the same time how what is the extension for the Python file, and how strings are enclosed in Python. So these are the things which we have learned in this program. So hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching my video. So in the coming videos we'll learn more important features of Python and different syntaxes in Python. Okay, thank you.